How to fix Microsoft Teams echo issue. First, you want to simply go to the Teams application, and inside the Teams application, if you are inside a meeting, what you want to do is, if you are listening to any kinds of echo on here, you want to simply check for your headset or any kinds of Bluetooth device if it is connected or not. You want to simply swipe down on the control center, and if you are connected to any kinds of Bluetooth devices, you want to simply turn off and turn them on to reconnect again. And by doing so, you should be able to fix any kinds of Bluetooth errors. However, if you're still facing echo issues, you want to simply your meeting from here, and you want to join your meeting again. And by doing so, you shouldn't be hearing any kinds of echoes. However, if the problem still continues, what you want to do is you want to simply restart the device once and open the app again, or you want to simply suggest your members as well to unmute and mute their mic again if they are having any kinds of echo issues. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.